packs a lot of power. The power to teach, the power to reveal, the power to tell through sight and sound. The projector is a tool, an efficient, rugged, easy to use tool. Ah, but the proof is in the running. So, swing out the folding reel arms, fasten the drive belts, and it's ready to thread. Oh yes, don't forget the film. This projector is the easiest and fastest to thread. Most people can do it in 30 seconds or less. Whoa now, just a minute. Do that again a little slower. First, feed the film under the first sprocket. These sprockets have twice the teeth of most sprockets, thus less wear and tear on the film. And the spring-loaded sprocket shoe keeps the film firmly but gently in place. Form the upper loop and pass the film through the heart of the projector, the easy access gate. Here the film is engaged by the Stellite claw. Stellite, one of the hardest metals known to man, never wears out. Never tears the film. The film is gently embraced by a nylon pressure pad fore and aft, relieved to reduce wear, easy to reach for cleaning. Close the gate, form the lower loop to the guide marker, and pass it over the dynamically balanced sound drum where the sound is picked up. Thread the film under the lower sprocket. There are only two in this machine. Under a damper roller, which helps prevent film breakage, and onto the even tension take-up, which adds the ultimate in film protection. And now for a running test, to get everything set. Turn the new fuse-saving power switch to start the motor. Listen how quiet it runs. And now, the lamp. Adjust and lock the focus. And adjust the sound. Adjust the tilt to align the picture on the screen. And turn it off. Now run the projector in reverse back to the beginning. Yes, this projector gives you reverse operation with complete safety to the film. And now all that's needed is an audience. Your RCA projector is ready to run, and it will keep on running, day in and day out, with minimum care. Low-cost maintenance, proved through life testing, is this machine's hidden asset. A heavy-duty induction motor, no brushes to wear out, accurate, constant speed, sealed bearings, lubricated for life. The projection lamp, easy to replace, and the entire exciter lamp assembly swings out for lamp replacement or cleaning. When the show's over, rewind the film by turning a single knob. No reels to change, no belts to move. That's it, the new RCA16mm sound projector. Fast threading. Quiet running. Gentle to film. Full, rich sound from a big 15-watt amplifier. A clear, bright picture. A real powerhouse. Quality built to last for years. In short, a snap. Come on, try your hands on this machine. You'll love it.